In this video, we're diving into Help Scout to see if it really stands out as the best help desk SaaS for small businesses. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions without getting buried in technical jargon or endless marketing promises. Customer support has become one of the biggest competitive advantages for small businesses. When someone buys from you, they don't just care about the product. They care about the experience before, during, and after the sale. And as your customer base grows, keeping track of emails, questions, returns, and general support inquiries can get messy really fast. A lot of people start out using Gmail or Outlook and try to DIY their way through support. And honestly, it works for a little while. But as soon as you have more than a handful of inquiries a day or more than one person answering them, it becomes chaos. It's exactly where tools like Help Scout come in. They give you a centralized place for your conversations, make your team feel more coordinated, and help you take support from "we'll try our best" to "yeah, we've actually got a system for this." Section 1. What is Help Scout? So, Help Scout is a cloud-based help desk platform built specifically for small to medium-sized businesses that want something powerful but still simple. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It doesn't bombard you with tabs, channels, or complicated dashboards. Basically, like taking a familiar email inbox and giving it superpowers. Instead of giving you ticket numbers or robotic support queues, Help Scout tries to make everything feel like a natural conversation, the way most small businesses want support to feel. They intentionally designed their interface to feel like email because that makes it easy for anyone on your team to adapt. You get 4 main pillars with Help Scout: a shared inbox, a knowledge base called Docs, a live chat widget called Beacon, reporting and analytics. So let's break down each one a little more. Shared inbox. So the shared inbox is really the core of the platform. And honestly, it's probably the main reason most people sign up. Here's what it actually feels like to use on a daily basis. When a customer emails support, the message doesn't scatter across different inboxes. It goes to one central location where your whole team can see it. And instead of everyone jumping in and guessing who should reply, Help Scout lets you assign the conversation to yourself or someone else. And if someone else is already typing a reply, you'll see it. Help Scout's collision detection shows when 2 people open the same conversation so you don't step on each other's toes. You can tag conversations, add private notes, forward messages, create workflows, and use saved replies, all while keeping communication clean and consistent. It feels like email, but functioning the way email should work for a team. Knowledge base, Docs. Help Scout's knowledge base tool called Docs is a simple but surprisingly powerful way to let your customers help themselves. You can create articles, tutorials, step-by-step guides, FAQs, and troubleshooting pages. You can add images, embed videos, format things cleanly, and organize everything into categories. It's all very smooth and intuitive. Now, what makes Docs especially valuable is how tightly it integrates with Beacon, the chat widget. Customers can search your docs before they even message your team. So if someone's looking for something simple like how to reset my password, they can find the answer instantly without waiting for a reply. This reduces your support volume, which is huge for small teams. Beacon, live chat, and messaging. So Beacon is Help Scout's lightweight live chat widget. You can embed it on your website, landing pages, or inside your app. And it's designed to be simple. Again, a theme with Help Scout. When customers open Beacon, they can search your knowledge base, browse help articles, send an email, or start a live chat. You can also set up proactive messaging. For example, if someone is stuck on the checkout page for 30 seconds, you can trigger a message asking if they need help. Section 2, features that Help Scout users love. Easy onboarding and user-friendly interface. So Help Scout's interface is one of the cleanest and simplest out of all the help desk tools. There's no steep learning curve, and you don't need a formal onboarding session just to understand how to reply to messages. Help Scout gets your team up and running fast, and that's something small businesses value a lot. Saved replies and workflows. So saved replies are exactly what they sound like. Pre-written messages for common questions. If you find yourself typing the same reply over and over again, you can save it and insert it with one click. Workflows take this even further. They let you automatically tag conversations, assign tickets based on keywords, move emails to specific mailboxes, send auto replies, and organize support based on your rules. They're not as advanced as like Zendesk's automations, but for a small team, they're more than enough to eliminate hours of repetitive admin work. Collaboration tools. Inside each conversation, you can add internal notes, @mention teammates, and pass information back and forth without the customer ever seeing your internal messages. This is especially helpful if a support agent needs clarification, someone else needs to step in, or you're handling a complicated request that involves multiple people. You can also forward a message to someone outside the team, like a vendor or contractor, while still keeping everything documented. Integrations. Integrations are where Help Scout really rounds out its value. They integrate with over 90 apps, including Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Zapier, Stripe, and a lot more. This lets you pull customer data into Help Scout, automate tasks, connect support with your CRM, or trigger actions based on tickets. Reporting and analytics. Help Scout's reporting covers all the essentials: volume, resolution time, response time, customer happiness, individual performance, and more. You can see how your team's doing overall and where bottlenecks are happening. Now, it's true the reporting is not as advanced as something like Zendesk, but for many small businesses, these built-in reports are really more than enough. You get real, actionable insights without getting lost in data. Section 3, pricing structure. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at their pricing. So here we've got their pricing page, and we can see they got 3 different plans with AI Answers as an add-on. Now, as you can see, you can save 16% if you decide to go annually. So take a quick look at the pricing here. We'll go back to monthly, and you can see how those prices increase. So you do get some pretty good savings there when you go annual. So the standard plan starts at $25 per month. You get core features like multiple inboxes, multiple knowledge bases, basic workflows, unlimited tags and saved replies, and the AI inbox assistant. So then the plus plan up from there goes from $25 to $45 per user per month. And with this, you get everything in standard, and you get advanced workflows, unlimited AI drafts, round robin routing, Salesforce, Jira, and HubSpot, internal teams, and group conversations by company. The pro plan, you need to book a demo. You can't just get started with that for free. That starts at $75 per user per month, so you get everything in plus unlimited workflows, multiple routing types, SSO/SAML, HIPAA compliance, and up to 50 light users, dedicated onboarding specialist, and a strategic account manager. You can also get AI Answers for 75 cents per resolution as an add-on. So now, while Help Scout might not be the cheapest option out there, it's really good at what it does. All right, now let's go into a little pros and cons, starting with the pros. The first one is simplicity. Help Scout doesn't try to be Zendesk or Intercom. It's intentionally simple, which makes it ideal for teams that don't want a complicated setup. It's affordable for small teams. Now, compared to enterprise level systems, Help Scout gives you a lot of value for the price. Personal touch. Help Scout avoids the cold, robotic, ticket number 24892 vibe. It keeps conversations human. Knowledge-based integration. Docs and Beacon work together seamlessly, reducing repetitive questions and giving customers fast answers. Flexible live chat. Beacon is lightweight but effective, and it doesn't overwhelm your site. Now for the cons. So there's limited customization. If you need something heavily customizable, Help Scout may feel too simple. Advanced analytics are limited. The reporting covers basic but lacks deep customization. No built-in AI chatbot. If you want automated bot responses or AI-powered routing, you'll need to integrate with other tools. Costs can rise with team size. If your support team grows quickly, your monthly bill will too. So is Help Scout the best help desk for small businesses? Help Scout remains a top pick for small businesses thanks to its simplicity, affordability, and human-focused approach. It covers all the essentials: a shared inbox, docs, Beacon, and reporting without overwhelming your team. And while it lacks some of the advanced powers of something like Zendesk or Intercom, it offers exactly what most small businesses actually need: a reliable, easy-to-use help desk that feels natural and keeps customer support flowing smoothly. So if you want to get started with Help Scout, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.